Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: can you listen to music with one earphone? Yeah, you can totally listen to music with one earphone. It calls mono mode. You can put one earbud to the charging case, close the case and listen to music with the second earbud. To prove it for you, we can go to the settings, then Bluetooth. And as you can see, I still have connection, but I use only one earbud. But you cannot pair your left earbud with one device and your right earbud with the second device. You need to pair both your earbuds with one device or with two devices, because these headphones support dual connection. That's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!